Hi everyone, today we're checking out another song by Zishan Ali. It's called Sadegi To Hamari Zara Dekiye. So I saw it on his story and his Instagram and I took notes. So as usual, and it was actually requested by you guys, and you know that I love him so much. I loved his voice and I want to listen to this one.
Yep.
And it's actually an original song by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
Ah,
So I can
to be an
imagine.
addition, wow.
Yeah. So I'm ready to listen to it.
Here we go.
We don't have English here. Caption? It's Hindi.
सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया। सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया। सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए,
It's weird.
सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया। बात तो सिर्फ एक रात की थी मगर इंतजार आपका उम्र भर कर लिया। बात तो सिर्फ एक रात की थी मगर इंतजार आपका उम्र भर कर लिया। जिक्र एक बेवफा और सितमगर का था, जिक्र एक बेवफा और सितमगर का था। आपका ऐसी बातों से क्या वास्ता, आपका ऐसी बातों से क्या वास्ता। आप तो बेवफा और सितमगर नहीं, आप तो बेवफा और सितमगर नहीं। आपने किस लिए मुँह धर कर लिया। सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया।
खूबसूरत।
जिंदगी के सफर में बहुत दूर तक, जिंदगी के सफर में बहुत दूर तक, जब कोई दोस्त आया न हमको नजर, जब कोई दोस्त आया न हमको नजर, हमने घबरा के तन्हाइयों से सबा, हमने घबरा के तन्हाइयों से सबा। एक दुश्मन को खुद हम सफर कर लिया। सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए, एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया। बात तो सिर्फ एक रात की थी मगर इंतजार आपका उम्र भर कर लिया।
Wow.
It's
In my
the
heart.
way he did that, I felt like I'll get rid of you. Like I won't wait for you, even though I don't understand.
I love Zishan Ali Dil se, from my heart. The moment I listened to 2 a.m. and
You got hooked.
and this texture of voice, that's what I love.
Yeah.
That's what
I
I'm
know,
hooked
I know.
on, and that's what I saw in this one too. Like there's no instrument, only the piano,
The keyboard
the keyboard next to him, and his voice is prevalent. You know, it's
with Zishan Ali,
It's
you
over
only
there.
need a
So
microphone to enjoy a perfect masterpiece. Not a lot of people can do that, you know. Wow! I truly love that kind of
actually we don't know the lyrics,
performance.
but
Yeah,
I felt
don't-
like it's romantic. It's so soft. It's so
Heart melting, romantic,
heart melting.
warm.
That's it. It pierced my soul like Sadegi to hamari zara. Actually, I want to learn Urdu because of you. Because of a lot of singers that I'm really falling in love with. Like I loved Hindi because of Arjit Singh. You know, when I love a singer, I love to learn the language because of them. Like Turkish, you know, I have favorite singers in Turkish and I want to learn Turkish. And now because of you, I'm gonna learn Urdu. Yeah, it's Urdu. I don't think it's Punjabi.
Can I tell you what? She want to learn like 20, 30 languages because of that, you know?
Because I have genuine love for true
Yeah.
artists and Zishan Ali is so amazing. Like, yeah, but I just want bas. But it's Arabic and it's Urdu. Bas. I want to
But.
see her. Sadegi to hamari zara dekiye. Just look at my simplicity. I don't know if it's right. I saw this translation here.
Like I'm naive, you know? Like, look how naive I am.
E'tibar apke vade per kar liya. You made a promise and I believed, I trusted you. Maybe it's some naivety. Sadegi, okay, sadegi to masti mein ek hasi ko khuda ke gaye mein.
She didn't even read the English.
Kis shok, kis tamanna, kis tarja sadki se. The way of respect, desire, fondness and simplicity. I don't know if it's right, this translation, but
But you can get an idea about it. It doesn't have to be accurate.
shikayat karte hai ab hai se.
I
We need
complain
English
you
translation.
about you. I complain you about you.
जरा देखिए सादगी तो हमारी एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया. You made a promise and I believe I trusted you. Yeah, बात तो सिर्फ इकरार की थी मगर इंतजार आपका उम्र भर किया.
वाह.
क्या बात है. Okay, I want to read it.
Okay, and when you read it,
Yeah.
I'll go and wrap the video up. Do you want to add any?
Okay, now, as a conclusion, I really love Zishan Ali. I want to listen to more of his songs and I'll take notes of his Instagram. But tell us guys what you think about it. And if he has any concert in the Arab world, in Dubai maybe,
In the Gulf area,
I
maybe.
wish I could go there and really listen to him live.
Yeah.
I would do it. So another one,
Another
banger.
one, another beautiful one.
I want to listen to more.
Yeah, me too, definitely.
But Pyar Dil Se.
Now, before she fan out even more, I'm gonna have to wrap it up. For any recommendation, make sure to drop down a comment below and don't forget to like the video.
And of course, our journey with Zishan Ali will definitely continue, so stay tuned for more.